GBP dollar. Same with euro, guys. We're still moving within this sort of rising channel, this structure here. We came under pressure yesterday, and we have been coming under pressure, obviously, with escalations in the war. US launched fresh strikes, 10th straight night of strikes. But there's been optimism, as you can see, which is one of the reasons why, obviously, as we covered in gold, but media is working on a deal for a new ceasefire pointed to a possible 10-day truce. Markets remain delusional. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. Markets remain delusional because the inflation trade's still there. Oil price is still elevated. The supply disruption clear. Strait of Hormuz is, messed up right now. Tankers are being hit. So at some point, dollar's going to resume proper business as per usual. But GDP's been holding a bit of ground because obviously we've had this delusional optimism as well around the new leadership of the UK. I laugh because it's just all the same story. But maybe this is different this time. But that's why GBP's been holding ground. And when you look at, obviously, euro, it's been a lot more to the downside, but GBP has been much more vertical in its sort of consolidation versus the dollar. But look, near term, keep an eye, obviously, in liquidity. We've got various structure here, but key area of liquidity as we head into sort of 34, 60, 70 area again. This is not something GBP at the moment versus dollar is just very sort of messy for me. Not one that I like the look of at this moment in time. Obviously, we still get our sweeps of liquidity, a really nice little bit of head and shoulders there above the Asian range high. We do grab those liquidity, but it's not as clean as euro at this moment in time. So it's something that I'm personally staying away from for now, but just keeping your minds that at some point this could be really driven lower when that dollar momentum really gathers some pace. And that dollar momentum gathering pace would be, obviously, so long as this situation keeps going on right up until FOMC rate decision next week. Expect a hawkish tone coming out from Kevin Walsh, but obviously know how the playbook around that, know how to capitalize on that. We're doing all that, obviously, via the KenMacro desk. Obviously, all this stuff as well, you can get access to it for free via the links below of our partner brokers, the educational materials for life, which are constantly updated, the KenMacro desk service, all that good stuff. You can check out via the links below, and check out any links below if you want to level up your macroeconomic trading with your technicals, no matter how you trade technically. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next update.